Using the get data nodes, I'll just explore for it with my filter. I'm going to get the strand length and strand size. So I'll explore for both here on the point cloud. Retrieve those same values, and if I control C and control V, I'll make sure I account for strand size on the next one. I can also replace the object name with self. I eventually want to be able to use a tool like this on any point cloud regardless of name, and the name point cloud is too literal. So on each of these nodes, I'm just going to right click and replace my object names with the self. So actually, I can actually do it in here as well too. That one wasn't taking very well, so I'll just get rid of my caps lock. There we go. And I'll do the same thing here as well. I'll replace that with self and replace that with self. Just makes for a more versatile script. So I can do the same thing here. And there. I'll now go in and multiply these initial values that have been set in the create strands node or compound by multiplying them per state ID. So I can actually reuse these a few times if I really wanted to. I could do something like this where I take my strand length and multiply it for the state ID 0, and then reuse that same value for the strand length in state ID 1. I could repeat, copy, paste, and set up the same graph right here. Okay, so we'll plug that into strand size, and now we have separate multiplier controls over strand size per state ID. We could even go in and bring this whole branch together by combining both of our ifs into a single execute. So if I really wanted to, I could stream them into a single execute here. We may do that later, but for now, we'll continue on as is.